Hello class 8. Welcome to GK class. GK is the information that has been accumulated over through various mediums. It excludes specialized learning that can only be obtained with extensive learning and information. Today we are going to discuss with the topic Know the presidents of India. For this, we have to know about the main objectives. Main objectives are as follows: introduction, qualification, term of office, removal, and contribution. Before the discussion of topic, we must know the following terms. Education. Education means giving the moral and intellectual instructions. Trade union movement. It means an organization attempted by workers to improve their status by united action. Quit India movement. Movement started by Mahatma Gandhi. It was started in 1942 and asked the British to leave India for Indians. It's a brief introduction about President of India. President of India is the ceremonial head of the country. He is appointed through the Electoral College of India. He is assisted by the Vice President of India. Moreover, he lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan, situated in New Delhi. He is Chief of Armed Forces. In this video, we will discuss about the presidents from 1950 till date. There are 14 presidents till date, and we will discuss their information one by one. This is a picture of first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the recipient of Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. His memorial Rajendra Samriti Sangrah is located in Patna. This picture is of our second president from 1962 to 1967. He is Dr. Radhakrishnan. His birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. In 1921, after his farewell ceremony, he was taken to Mysore railway station in a decorated cart by students of Maharaja College of Mysuru. Now he is Dr. Zakir Hussain. He is one of the most prominent educational thinker, propagated value-based education. He prevented teachers and students from getting involved in the movement of partition of India when he was the Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University. Now look at the picture. He is the fourth President of India from 1969 to 1974. He is Mr. V.V. Giri and he led the trade union movement of India. It was due to his effort that the labor force could demand and acquire their rights to improve their living conditions. The National Labour Institution is renamed as V.V. Giri National Labour Institute. He is our fifth president from 1974 to 1977. He is Mr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, who actively participated in the Indian freedom movement, that is Quit India movement, in 1942. In his honor, a medical college was named Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad Medical College. This college is in Barpeta in Assam. He is Mr. Nilam Sanjeeva Reddy, who gave up his studies and took part in the Indian independence struggle. He was greatly influenced by Mahatma Gandhi after meeting him in July 1929 at Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh. He is Sardar Gyani Jail Singh. He is our seventh president. Gyani Jail Singh acquired a fairly wide knowledge of Sikh doctrine and his history. Because of his without fulfilling the minimum qualification of matriculation, he was given up the admission to Shaheed Sikh Missionary College, Amritsar. Look at the picture. He is our eighth president, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, who participated in Quit India movement in 1942 during India independence movement. As defense minister in the 1980s, he shifted APJ Abdul Kalam from space program to missile program to start the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Shankar Dayal Sharma was our ninth president from 1992 to 1997. Shankar Dayal Sharma, an active member of the Indian National Congress, started a movement against the Nawab of Bhopal who expressed his desire to retain the princely state. Shankar Dayal Sharma was arrested in 1948 and jailed for violation of restrictions on public meetings imposed by Nawab. He was later released under the public pressure, and Nawab was forced to sign the agreement for the merger with the Indian Union on 30th April 1949. He is Mr. K. R. Narayanan, who is our 10th president from the period 1997 to 2002. He is also known as the working president. At the special midnight session of Parliament on 14th August 1998, while addressing the nation, he stated that the establishment of democratic system of government and politics is the greatest achievement of India. This was during the Golden Jubilee of Independence. He is our 11th president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is also known as the Missile Man of India. Due to his successful work and the ballistic missiles, he was successful project director for a satellite launcher vehicle at ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, when India launched its into the Earth's orbit, the Rohini satellites. She is Mrs. Pratibha Patil. She is 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. She is the first and only woman President of India till date. Took interest in the social issues such as improving the condition faced by Indian women. She set up the Shram Sadhana Trust in New Delhi, Mumbai and Pune and runs the hostels for working women. He is our 13th President, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Mr. Pranab Mukherjee used to walk about 5 kilometers to Pudal fields to reach his school in the backward areas. He told his while interacting with the teachers and students to the Sarvodaya Vidyalaya inside the President Estate, Delhi. He is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. He is our acting President of India, his 14th President of India. From 2017 till date, Ramnath Kovind emphasizes the development of the basic infrastructure of education in rural areas for the development of the country. He represented India in the United Nations and addressed the United Nations General Assembly in 2002. He donated the ancestral house to the village of his native village, that is in Parukh village, Kanpur, in Uttar Pradesh. Now children, it's your turn to find more information about the President of India. Till that, have a good day, stay home.